Step 1. Step 2. Wax ring. A little sticky. Flange side goes down in the flange. Sticky side goes onto the tank. Just center it over. Step 3. Now this part can be a little tricky. Just take your time, lift it over, straddle it, get it over this, and ease it down, making sure you try to get between the bolts go on the bottom holes of the toilet bowl here. Sit on it, get some pressure on it. Make sure it's firm all the way down. Step 4, putting the nuts on. Screws on, hand tight. Step 5. Put on, secure. Make sure it's on there good. This goes in the bottom of the tank. So let's go there. And not much room in that tank with all that stuff in there for this dual flush to get your hands down in there. So, very careful, do not break this tank. Gonna put the little plastic washer on first. Now the stainless steel nut. Do this on both sides. Now with the supplied little wrench thing here, and go back forth each side. Okay, solid, not moving. Good, hand tight. It's all you want, because it'll be nice seal right across here, China to China, it'll meet. So wiggle this, see? Solid. Okay, now I'm going to hook this water line up to the reservoir here. And again, you just hand tighten it snug. You don't need to go crazy with it. You have two sets of washers. If the lid needs to go forward, you put this one in, and you can reverse it if it needs to go back. If it's pretty well centered, you use the one that's already centered. This looks pretty center, so I'm just going to put center one in. 2 screws. Allen wrench included. Not moving nowhere. Snap it. Easy close. So once you get to this point, it's up to you to go through, read this, and do your fine tuning. So I'm going to turn the water on. Once it's full, look for leaks all around, make sure there's no leaks. And once you see this water level, it's very shallow. So this one is liquid waste, this is solid waste. Liquid waste literally doesn't use that much. Watch. That's it. Very nice. Solid waste. It goes much further down. So this is definitely going to save a lot more water. Almost. A little bit more. Make sure you adjust them level so they're both equal. A little bit at a time till you get it. You don't want it to touch. You want to have just a little bit of play. And I can see a little bit too far. So I'm going to take it down just a turn. When you set it on here, you'll be able to see if this moves, if it's hitting. So that's good, right there. Liquid, solid. You see the braille marks on it? So there you have it. Nice looking, and you can tell this is much more streamlined compared to others, a little bit wider. So it's definitely less water going to be in there. So far, a nice looking toilet.